Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex. Today's word is center, a B1 level verb meaning to focus or place at the middle. So, center means to position something in the middle or to make something the main focus of attention. You might hear someone say, "Let's center the table in the room," indicating they want to place the table in the middle. Let's look at some synonyms. A good synonym for center is focus. For instance, she needs to focus her attention on the task at hand. Another synonym is concentrate. He tried to concentrate on his studies. Now, let's look at some antonyms. One antonym for center could be disperse. The crowd began to disperse after the event. Another antonym might be scatter. The wind scattered the leaves across the lawn. How do we use center in everyday life? We use it when we are talking about what is the main thing, like the story centers around a young artist, meaning the main part of the story is about them. Or, the company's main office is centered in the city, saying the main location is there. Here are more examples. Please center the picture on the wall. The meeting will center on our quarterly results. He always tries to center himself before making a decision. To recap, center is a verb that means to put something in the middle or make it the main focus. We've explored its synonyms like focus and concentrate and its antonyms like disperse and scatter. Remember how it's used in everyday conversations and the examples we've covered. Thanks for joining me on today's Hello Word. Before you go, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. And don't forget to create your own sentence using the word center and share it in the comments below.